Alright YouTube, so a little backstory on the car. The main thing that caused the axle to break was because of my rear transmission mount from Hassport. Hassport has nothing to do with that, it's not their fault, it's my fault. Back in the days when I was doing nothing but 100% daily driving, I was rushing on the install and I ended up stripping the upper bolt that goes through the top mount of that bracket, the top piece of the bracket. In order to get the car back on the road so I can go to work on Monday, I had to have it drilled out and then just run a bolt straight through it and a nut on the back side. And you know, of course it held up fine, so it was one of those things that kind of slipped my mind over time and just kind of left it alone, never dealt with it, never changed anything about it. Basically, bolt came out, bracket dropped, engine rocked, floored it. That was enough to snap the axle. So it's all my own fault, but I'm fixing everything. So today, what I'm doing is the new install on these K2 and K2 coilovers. I'm running the circuit version. I have 18K springs in the front and 16K in the rear. These things have different valving for the shock than the K1s that I have on the car right now. So they should ride a lot different, a lot better. And I'll let you know how that goes once I got these on and rolling. But the main thing is swapping these out. So that's enough talking, let me get to work. Lazy way now. I don't have much time to work on the car anymore these days, so I really gotta get this going. It's a little bit hard to see all the carnage down there, but there is axle grease every freaking where, and as you can imagine, it's driving my OCD nuts. Look at that. It's a freaking mess. But it was fun though. You guys can't say I don't drive my car. But it does seem like every time I drive it, I just end up breaking it. But I guess that's part of the game, right? Gives me more stuff to do. I just need more money to do it more often. This is the K1 streets and the K2 circuit. The K1s on the front are 10K springs and 6K in the rear. My Swift springs that are on the K2 circuits, these are 18K. This axle's still pretty good. It's actually in good shape. So it means I have one spare driver's side axle. Winning. The passenger side axle, yeah, not so much. Look at that. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna do too much else for a while now until I clean out all this axle grease that's all over my engine bay. I mean, it's absolutely ridiculous. I'm not putting in nice new parts in a filthy bay. I can't do it.